Hey groomers, just Tyler here. Smokey's having a snow day. Let me explain something to you real quick though. This is a hinge that is worn out, broken. I just want to show you guys something. If you can take your thumbnail and open this up, that is worn out and broken. You should not be able to open it up with a thumbnail or anything easy like that. This is a new one I just replaced. Can hear it really snaps, and there is no way I am opening that up with a thumbnail. So the way I like to do it is I just push up on the little springs, stick a screwdriver, flat one, hemostats, whatever. I've seen a lot of people use different stuff. Do not use your shears, and open it back up in case that ever closes. If yours can open up easily, ask your sharpener, repairman, repair lady, replace that for you. Anyway, hope you have a good day. Have a great new year, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.